Tutorial 8. Editing an existing and adding a new line geometry in the Amrut file. In this tutorial, we will learn how to edit an existing or add a new line geometry in your Amrut file in the mobile application. Let's see the steps to be followed. Open the Sankalan 2.0 application in your mobile phone. The home page of the application will be displayed with current location with the geofence boundary. Click on the database icon in the bottom navigation bar to access the list of all the imported surveys. Click on the desired survey, you open it. The imported survey with all the desired geospatial layers will be displayed on your mobile application. To edit any line within the geofence, tap and hold a line geometry to select any geometry. A pop-up will appear to choose between Edit Geometry or Edit Attributes. Choose Edit Geometry. The selected line is highlighted in blue and all the points of the line will be highlighted. To change the location of the selected point, hold and drag. To add a new point, tap on the desired location and add a new point to the end of the line. If needed, undo the current operation by clicking on the undo icon in the top right menu of the home page. Click on the Save icon in the top right menu of the home page to finalize the changes. Now, to add a new line to the project, click on the pen icon on the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will open up with the options to add new features. Click on the line icon. This will open an editing submenu. Within the editing submenu, click the plus icon. Then, tap on any desired location on the map or interface where you want to add a line. Keep tapping on different locations to add as many points as needed. The newly added points will be highlighted in blue. If you wish to move the point, hold and drag the point to change its location. Click the Save icon on the top right menu of the home page to save your changes. Repeat the same process to add more lines to the project. Thank you.